This is Google Pixel 7 Pro, and in this video we would like to share the top 5 pro tips and features for this device. Alrighty, to start off I would like to show how you can set the custom language for any app you would like, which can differ from the system language you currently have. So let's say my phone is now in English, but I would like for some app to be in, let's say, Spanish or whatnot. In order to do that, you gotta launch settings, then enter the system category. In here, go for the languages and input, app languages, choose for which particular app you would like to change the language. So let's say I'll go with Google Chrome. In here, I'll set it to be in Espanol or Spanish. And as you can see, once I launch the Google Chrome, everything is in Spanish, even though the system still remains in the English language. Moving on to the second feature for this video, that is the fact that you can lock your screen with your own fingerprint. In order to do that, you gotta, simply enter the settings, then go for the security category over here, then face and fingerprint unlock field. Prior to enrolling any biometrical way of locking the screen, it is also required that you set some backup screen method as well from the list of pattern, pin or password. I'll go with the pattern myself, draw the pattern that I would like to use, and then confirm it. In here, choose what notification content will be shown. Next, go for the fingerprint unlock. More, I agree. And start the adding process. So as you can see, the scanner is located at the lower part of your display. So simply lay and lift your finger onto the moving zone over here, or onto the moving scanner, which does not actually move, it just makes it so that the entire surface of your fingerprint gets correctly and successfully scanned. So gradually lay and lift, do not rush it. And just like so, the fingerprint has been successfully enrolled, and now our screen is locked with it. So let's go ahead and test it out a little. As you can see, the screen gets unlocked without any issues. It recognizes our finger pretty swiftly. Moving on to the third tip/feature for this video, that is located at the display category of settings. It is this small little toggle that is called smooth display, and once you turn it on, you make it so that the screen refresh rate gets automatically raised from 60 all the way up to 120 Hz for the content. So long story short, higher values of the screen or display refresh rate provide you with the better and more smooth, more silkier visual experience, but at the same time they tend to drain the battery more. So if you would like to conserve the battery, just turn this toggle off and get your display refresh rate back to 60 Hz. If the power you have left is more than sufficient, you can increase the screen refresh rate and get significantly, better visuals. So the first tab is also located at the display category of settings. It is the configuration or feature that allows you to change the screen resolution that you have. Two values to choose from, high or full. The high gets you 180p Full HD+, and the full resolution gets you 1440p QHD+. So pretty much the same deal as we had with the smooth display option. Higher value will give you better visuals, better resolution, therefore better quality. Everything will look just generally more good, and but at the same time the full resolution will drain a little bit more battery. So choose whatever option fits your needs best at any given moment. Alrighty, so fifth and final option that we were to share with you guys is located at the is located at the battery category of settings. It's a very cool feature that allows you to share your power you have on your Pixel with any other device that supports wireless charging. So basically, let me just go ahead and open the battery category. In here, all that needs to be done in order for this feature to be activated is to turn on the battery share over here by switching on this little allow battery share toggle. So choose what thresholds you would like for the phone to set for the phone to stop the feature, deactivate the feature automatically. So I'll set it to be at 10%. So basically now you gotta flip the phone, make it so that it will have its back part looking upwards. Then take any device that supports wireless charging. I'll take my personal phone, for example, and place it on top. And as you can see, the charging process gets successfully started, even though my phone kind of moves due to some magnetic measures, let's say, but it gets wirelessly charged like so. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. That will be it for the 5th tip. So thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.